Hello. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to check out Claude Code and see how we can do some agentic AI in the terminal without having to use an editor at all. Let's go. All right, hello. I am Ryan Torbick with Tulip Tree Technology, and this is our leaf. All right, so today we're going to be playing with Claude Code from Anthropic and using it directly inside the terminal, and that's it. We're not using anything else. We're not going to futz around with this other stuff. We're just going to jump in a terminal, and we're going to go to town. So here we go. Okay, so that's it. We got a terminal. What I have here is I have a project that a friend of mine just gave me. It's a simple something to do. I said, hey, can you do this work for me? They did this work, and then they gave me this stuff. And, so I've got that project here. So let's take a look what's in that project. There's a build directory, CMake lists. There's a README. Oh, there's a README. Let's tap that out. Oh, that's not much. Okay, so it's a sensor gateway. All right, so I don't know much about this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Claude. Let's go do that real quick. How do I install Claude? There's an npm package. Yes, it is. npm install -g Anthropic AI Claude Code. Go to town. Added 5 packages, changed 3. Sounds great. And I'm already in my sensor gateway directory, so then I'm just going to run Claude. Here we go. Welcome. Thank you. I've already logged in to my Anthropic, so when you do that, it pops up on a thing and pop, 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 pop. And you set up API keys and stuff. So let's see. Init to create a Claude MD. Use Claude to help with file analysis, editing, bash commands, and Git. Be specific as you would want with another engineer for best results. All right, so can you please explain to me what's in this project? Yearning. 4 seconds, 5 seconds. All right, this is an STM. Well, how many seconds did that take? This is an STM32 F7 based sensor gateway project. It contains a microcontroller firmware, HAL drivers for hardware peripherals, a Cortex CM-sys. So it uses Cortex microcontroller software interface standard libraries, a FAT-SS middleware for file systems, USB host functionality, okay, and a CMake build system. The project appears to be set up for an embedded development on an STM32. So what's the build? What do I need? Like, what do I need? Wondering. Oh, just read one line out of the README. CMake.lists. There we go. CMake.list.text. Okay, so it's reading files for me. Wondering. 14. Oh, there's a CMake directory, so it's going to go through. All right. So to build this project, you'll need the ARM GCC toolchain. This project requires, okay, CMake, make or Ninja build system. The build process should be something like this. This will compile the firmware for the STM firmware. All right, do I have everything installed? Let's see, now it's trying to run. So we're doing CMake -- version. Okay, ARM none, EABI GCC not found, CMake not found. You're missing 2 essential tools. You need to install both the ARM toolchain and CMake before you can build the project. I don't really want to do that. I've already got PlatformIO installed. I wonder if I could use PlatformIO for this. Can I build this project with PlatformIO? To use, PlatformIO isn't installed in your system, but yes, this project could be converted to use PlatformIO instead of the current CMake. To use PlatformIO, you would need to install it. Okay, I do have it. Create a PlatformIO INI. Reorganize the project to follow the structure. PlatformIO would handle downloading the STM32 chain automatically. It simplifies setup compared to the manual toolchain installation. Oh, that sounds wonderful. All right, so I have PlatformIO installed. in tilde PlatformIO. Please restructure the project to use PlatformIO instead of CMake. Let's see what happens. Organizing. All right. I'll restructure the project. Let me start by examining the project in more detail. Okay. Verify installation. Yes. Okay. So it's doing that. So it did an ls-l. It found some stuff there. Okay. Dash version. It's prompting me for all these things, which is nice. I wonder if I can say, don't prompt me, just figure it out. Okay, so it's reading the processor and board details from the existing project, creating PlatformIO INI, restructure source files to match PlatformIO conventions, and test build with PlatformIO. Do you want to create this? Sure, yes I do. Okay, so it wrote out that file. Okay, restructure the source files to match the PlatformIO conventions. Okay, so it's going to make source include lib. Okay. Scaffolding. Okay, so now it's going to copy those files away. Yes. Oh, I see. It's got a, I can figure out that, yeah. Scaffolding, scaffolding, scaffolding. Do I want to create a main.cpp? I don't know, do I? Oh, a main.cpp file to tie everything together. Okay, so sure, it's got exported C functions, calls all those functions down here in main. Yes. I can see 2 is yes and don't ask again. I'll just hit yes. All right, organizing. Oh, it actually wrote out a README? An actual README? What? Okay, sensor gateway, base, project structure, building the project, development environment, hardware features. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Please create a README for me. That would be lovely. Okay, still restructuring source files. Let's test. Oh, now we're testing the PlatformIO build already. Okay, so it wants to init. Come get your way. Error, processing, platform, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. There's a conflict between main.c from the original project and our new. So let's remove the original main.c. Okay. Organizing. All right, let's try again. So it's just going to do PIO run. Ready? Set. Go. Undefined reference. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now you've done it. Scaffolding, scaffolding. All right, so what did you decide? Oh, you're going to try to do this. To include additional HAL sources. Interesting. Oh, okay, because there's FATFS, USB host. Oh, I see. So you didn't actually... All right, let's go. You didn't move all the code around. You just moved some of the code around. No, but that's not going to fix the undefined references. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. That's going to fix the include problems, which I didn't see include problems with the build. I saw undefined references. Okay, there's red. Initially using GPO. Interesting. I wonder why it's doing this. It's not really explaining why. Let's add a more simple main.cpp to get the project building. Okay, sensor PlatformIO version. All right. All right, we're going to try again. Firmware failed. Undefined reference. Uh-oh. HLTDC. Let's create a custom. Oh, okay. .c file. And function LTDC RQ handle undefined reference to user code. What is, okay. Oh, interesting. It's removing a bunch of comments, including this how ink tick. All right, sure. Organizing. Okay, so it's deleting some more stuff, fixing some spacing. Looks like there was some inconsistent spacing. Removing the software license. I mean, I guess it's different code completely than it was before, so sure, go to town. All right, gonna run again, see what happens. Let's see, all right, configuring, okay, test build with PlatformIO. The build has now succeeded. Okay, run, target upload, target clean. I still don't have the hardware for this, so I'm gonna have to just hope that nothing changed. All right, so can you generate an architecture diagram for this project and save it into a markdown file? 41 tokens, escape to interrupt, architecting, architecting, architecting. So it's got, oh, interesting. Create a markdown, architecture to NB. Okay, system architecture, gateway, discovery board, processor, peripherals, external interface, software architecture, application, sensor data acquisition, hardware abstraction layer, hardware components. Oh, kind of like your hardware components here, detailed. Project structure, core application, external libraries, data flow, initialization sequence, future enhancement opportunities. Yes, I do want to create that. Create an architecture, file includes, okay, potential improvements and extensions. The ASCII art format for maximum compatibility. Execute. Oh yeah, just to put it in ASCII art. I kind of thought it would put it in Mermaid or something, but. All right, so there you go. Some of the basics, super basic stuff that you can do with Claude Code when it comes to, you know, working with an existing framework. So you've got the ability to kind of move things around without even having to have an editor at all. It'll take care of like file handling and all that stuff for you. I think one of the things that we've seen with root code is like it's showing you is this going along, but like it's showing you there too in Claude Code, so you don't even need any external tools. Download it, check it out, guys. Get out there, get on the wave. Hang 10. All right, jump down there, hit them, smash them things with the like and the subscribes, leave some comments, interact, and we will see you guys next time.